Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This video is about the setting the real-time clock and calendar, in which the real-time clock ds1307 has been interfaced with the PIC16F887 microcontroller, and we can adjust the date and time by using the two push buttons. One is used to select the sequence, time, minutes, hours, dates, months, and day, and the other one is to increase the amount, to increase the number of days, to increase the data. Here we have used a super capacitor of about 25 farad. So when the power is off, so it is 6 voltage has been applied to the system. When the power is off, so that the time is going in the ds1307. As here you can see this, for example, time is about 2:39, 6 seconds are going on. When the power is off, this way, again apply the power, 16 seconds. All the seconds are 20 seconds. It means time is going on. The real-time clock ds1307 will not be reset, because it has been empowered by the super capacitor has been applied here between the battery and the ground pins of the ds1307. We can also use the 3-volt battery to keep the time going on the ds1307 when the main power is off. So let's set the time. For example, press this button, set button, to select. No second are blinkings. It means second can be changed. Again push the button. No. Now minutes are blinking. Again push the button. Hours are blinking, date are blinking, months is blinking, year is blinking. Now the day is blinking. At the last time set time has been set. Thank you. So let's change the time. For example, 37 minutes are 43. For example, 43. And the time is about 11 o'clock. So press another button, this one to select, otherwise to increment. Keep on pressed. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 11, 12 again. We have to put it 11, 8, and 10, and 11. So the date is about 25 date are there. 22, 23, 24, 25. The month 6, years. The day is Tuesday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. So the time has been set. So this way we can set the time of the real-time clock. Now how code has been written for this? You can see here the laptop. Main function is there. In our channel I have uploaded the how to set the how to write C code for ds1307 and C code for LCD interfacing with PIC microcontroller. Here I want to explain just how to set the time of the ds1307. First you have to start from main function. In the main function we have to write trace B0 is input. We need two push buttons to set the date and time. So we need to trace B0 is 1, trace B1 is 1 to set this one for input. Then Port B pull up is enabled. N is used for bar. RBPU bar is equal to 0 enabled. Then weak pull up the port B0 is equal to 1. Weak pull up the port B1 is equal to 1. It means there not need pull up resistor when you in the software when you enable the weak pull up resistors. So we can directly apply the switches connected the switches. There no need of the here you can see there is no need of the pull up resistors because we have used the internal weak pull up resistors. Then we also initialize the LCD, initialize ds1307, and we are using the timer zero interrupt to update the real time and date, and RC1 is used as an indicator. So we have to screw down this way. So it means when has been pressed, when RB1 button switch has been pressed and set is not equal to 0, we have to delay 20 milliseconds for debouncing to remove the bouncing effect of the switch. Then we have which switch we have used switch function of about 7 cases. For one case, one is used for set the seconds. Second is per minute, third is per hours, per day, per month, per year, per day. For example, how to set the second, we have to press the button and the set value will be changed from 0 to 1, and set second will be increases. If the value of the second becomes greater or equal to 60, second equal to 0, then we have to put address 0. We have to store the second value at the address 0 of the ds1307. Then we have to convert these decimal numbers into BCD, binary coded decimal. This is the function used to convert the decimal numbers into the BCD, binary coded decimals, because we can save the value and the ds1307, this one ds1307, we can use the value in the register only in the BCD format. Then we use the bracket. Here we can see the function used for BCD. Here is the function. This function has been used. Character DC decimal to BCD converter. This function we can pass the character Z value. So Z is equal to this. Z is the any decimal number. We have to divide by the 10 and divide by 10 and multiply with 16, then plus Z modulus 10u. In this way we can convert decimal number into the BCD value, then return Z. In the same way we have to, you can change the minutes value. Then we have to store in the register of the ds1307. Then we have to convert the hours, change the date, change the month, change the year, change the day, and this way. Here we have write a ds1307 write function. At address A we have to write the value of the B. A is the address, the second address is 0, the minute address is 1, the hours address is 2, and the date address is 4, the month is 5, the year is 6, and the day address is 3, and the ds1307 ds1307 real-time clock, and the function has been used. We have used this function. So again, then we have to write to show the date and time on the LCD. These are the functions to write the date and time on the LCD. And this switch function is used to show the day. If case 1 show Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, this way you can show the day on the LCD. At the last, when set becomes equal to D, you have to write time set it and show thank you, as you have seen in the, here you can see here at the last. For example, when you press the button switch, second is blinking now, minute is blinking, hours are blinking, and then date is blinking, month is blinking, and day is blinking at the last. Time set it. Thank you. So then we have to compile the function here. Press the compile button, and you can connect the microcontroller with the PC by the PIC16F676 micro by using the picket 3. By picket 3 we can upload the program from the PC to the microcontroller, and the code will work. So for understanding how to write codes for ds1307, please subscribe and visit our channel of DCCPN. This code has been written from, you can download this website, this software MPLAB XIDE version 4 for writing the code for the PIC microcontrollers. So thank you for watching our video.